Hello everyone, welcome back all to this channel. So in the previous session we understood about the elements of controlling and its importance at macro level, right? So in today's session let's start understanding about the CAR and its importance along with its functionality at the macro level. So what is CAR? SAP CAR is nothing but Customer Activity Repository, one of the important module in SAP. So SAP CAR is powered by S4 HANA, which enables real-time computing capability to provide point of sales data transfer from stores to the SAP CAR platform, and then provides SAP analytics, inventory visibility, and demand forecasting on real-time basis, right? So some of the important features of SAP CAR or Customer Activity Repository are: it consolidates omni-channel data to provide real-time analytics for consuming applications. It provides accurate demand forecast and optimize replenishment processes or decisions, provides strong platform for better promotion and product assortments that can be used for personalized marketing. It also provides real-time standard Fiori apps covering a wide range of SAP standard business processes, right? So that was all about SAP Customer Activity Repository. Now coming to the evolution of CAR. Initially, it was introduced as a part of POSDTA, which is called as Point of Sales Data Management, which is called as POSDM 1.0 version. POSDM and SAP CAR was running on two separate or different applications, which was connected to the stores to extract the data, all in-store data, and then it was improvised to be called as POSDT, which is nothing but POS data transfer, that is point of sales data transfer, and now this has been optimized and improvised to be called as POSDTA, right, which is called as point of sales data transfer and audit. So that is the latest application. POSDTA sits on SAP CAR, which enables performing all the in-store activities, which enables the in-store business operations, right? So that was all about the evolution of CAR. Now coming to the need of CAR. As we all know, the initial version of CAR was POSDM 1.0 version, which was decommissioned, and also the maintenance was stopped by SAP on December 2020. So in order to promote and to utilize the upgraded version by SAP, it has recommended the business, especially the retail business, to go ahead and implement the Customer Activity Repository, which in fact gives far more added advantage and benefits compared to the POSDM, right? So some of the importance or the need of CAR are: SAP CAR is a better technology platform, considering it provides lots of inbuilt standard features which can be readily used for effective business operations and functionality. So here are some of the list of components or standard features which SAP provides us, which is nothing but POSDTA, multi-channel transaction data management, unified demand forecasting, which is called as UDF, DDF, which is called as Demand Data Foundation, Omni-channel pricing and promotion, OPP, inventory visibility, Omni-channel article availability and sourcing, OAA, and on-shelf availability, OSA. So these are the important features, inbuilt features or functionalities which SAP CAR provides us, right? So let's start understanding about each of this in crisp at macro level. So what is POSDTA? So as said earlier, POSDTA is nothing but point of sales data. It refers to the data that is generated at point of sales in retail business, such as information about products that are purchased, the quantities of those products which are purchased, the price at which it was sold, and any discounts or promotions that were applied to it, right? So that was all about POSDTA. Just to put it in short, POSDTA is nothing but it collects point of sales transaction data from all the stores, stores it in a transaction log, process it for a number of data consistency check and exposes it to the consuming application for further analytics and reporting. So that's about POSDTA. So coming to the multi-channel transaction data management, it is one of the, again, a key component in SAP CAR. It refers to the ability to manage, transact and analyze point of sales data from multiple channels such as in-store operations, online operations and mobile operations. In today's retail environment, customer expects to shop, make purchases through a variety of channels, right? And retailers need to be able to manage and track this data in order to provide the seamless and consistent experience to the customers, right? So that is where multi-channel transaction data management comes into the picture and comes handy and in use to the retail business. So to put it in short, it collects wide variety of data types such as all types of transactions, inventory and master data from multiple sources to provide an overview of business activity across different channels, right? So that was all about multi-channel transaction data management. Now coming to the unified demand forecasting, which is nothing but UDF. It is a feature in SAP CAR solution that enables retailers to forecast demand for their products based on the variety of factors such as past sales data, current market trends and customer behavior, right? So by accurately forecasting demand, retailers can optimize their inventory levels and ensure that they have the right products available to meet customer needs and demand. This can help to improve customer satisfaction, reduce waste and excess inventory storage, and also increases the profitability, right? So again, just to put it in short, it provides consuming application with demand modeling, demand forecasting services, offering insights into customer behavior and supports different planning scenarios. That is all about unified demand forecasting, which is one of the component of SAP CAR, right? Now coming to the demand data foundation, it is also another important feature of CAR which can potentially replace all the replenishment and forecasting activities. The basic foundation of DDF is nothing but all the data which it stores to complement, supplements and support the forecasting and the replenishment activities, right? So this is nothing but the solution that helps the retailers to collect, store, manage data about customer demand and sales trend. This data is used to support the demand forecasting and other analysis and the decision making process within the CAR system, right? So basically DDF helps in providing the consuming application with planning, analysis and forecasting capabilities based on the proprietary data model, data import infrastructure and mass maintenance tool, right? So UDF was providing the consuming application with all demand modeling and demand forecasting services. Now DDF provides the consuming application with all planning and analysis. So that was all about the demand data foundation. Now coming to the omni-channel pricing and promotion, it is one of the key component or feature which customer activity repository or SAP CAR solution provides to the retailers. It enables retailers to manage and optimize pricing promotion across multiple channels such as in-store, online and mobile transactions, right? So in today's retail environment, as we discussed, customer expects to buy or shop or make purchases via varieties of channels, that is online, offline, via mobile or cell phone gadgets, etc. So retailer need to offer them a consistent and relevant pricing and promotion across those channels in order to remain competitive, right? So that was omni-channel promotion and pricing component of CAR. So again, to put it in short, it is nothing but it provides promotion pricing service for all calculation of effective sales price in a sales and communication channel. Now coming to the inventory visibility. Inventory visibility is a ability to track and manage inventory levels and movements in a real-time basis, and it is an important aspect of supply chain management. In context to SAP CAR solution, inventory visibility refers to the ability to track and manage inventory levels and movements for retail operations, right? So that was all about inventory visibility, right? Now coming to the omni-channel article availability and sourcing, it is one of the, again, a very key component of CAR solution, which enables retailers to manage and optimize the availability and sourcing of products across different or multiple channels such as in-store operations, online operations, and the mobility operations, right? The omni-channel article availability and sourcing feature includes tools and functionalities for managing and tracking the availability of products which are made available to the end customers in a variety or in a different ways, right? So it includes the ability to track and manage stock levels and stock movement on real-time basis. It monitors and tracks the availability of products across channels. It analyzes and reports availability data, includes trends, patterns in demand, stock levels, and movements to the respective consuming application, right? So just to put it in short again and in crisp, the inventory visibility and omni-channel article availability and sourcing, it provides real-time information on inventory, omni-channel article availability and sourcing across different channels of all sales and communication area or channels, right? So this was about the inventory visibility and omni-channel article availability and sourcing. Now the last functionality of SAP CAR is nothing but on-shelf availability, right? So it is a measure of the proportion of time that product is available for purchase in a retail store. It is an important aspect of retail operation as it impacts customer satisfaction and sales performance, right? So in context of SAP CAR solution, on-shelf availability refers to the ability to track and manage on-shelf availability data and optimize it to improve customer satisfaction and sales, right? So again, to sum it up in short, on-shelf availability provides real-time insights into the availability of products on store shelves, right? So that was all about on-shelf availability. So these are the important functionalities or components or submodules of CAR which can be utilized in the retail business environment to improvise and develop our retail business, right? So that was all about SAP CAR. In the next session, let's start understanding about the project systems and investment management, right? So thanks all for watching. Be sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for latest notification. Thank you all.